Coach Abdeslam Owadu is hinting ukuthi ufuna ukuhamba lapha kuOrlando Pirates. His body language akusiyo umuntu ojabulile lapha kuOrlando Pirates. Izinto akazishoyo uyambona nje ukuthi umuntu ongajabulanga lapha kuOrlando Pirates, and this has been an ongoing issue kuPirates. When a coach wins the league, especially if usilethe league after so many seasons and yes win the league, uyakhumbula uRuth Krol straight after winning the league wahamba. And now he won a treble. And then the following season, Augusto Palacios maybe in a way of a lot decided what as anything relax. But Augusto Palacios had to take over from Ruth Krol because Ruth Krol after Lapo Vele Waham. It doesn't make sense how a coach would all of a sudden want to leave a team, especially after Qotok win a league. Because is the politics behind the scenes is in the singers or konis in Tabantabas Kuluma Lapana as Enzalabo coach Lababa Funukam. O coach Abdeslam Owadu, at if you tired, you don't go for another season. For wena lapho akusumuntu lozama ukubonisa ukuthi akafuna ukuhlala kuOrlando Pirates, akusumuntu ozama ukubonisa ukuthi ufuna ukuhamba kuOrlando Pirates, or is he feeling pressure lapha kuOrlando Pirates? Asazi is management mhlambe involved ekutheni nali play kumele lidlale, nali play kungamele lidlale, nali play kumele kwenzakale so, because khona into engayenzi sense bafethu lapha kuOrlando Pirates. Ucoach Abdeslam Owadu asase kuma Rumo Gallants uye wahamba waya kulama podcast amakhulu wakhuluma ukuthi yena he would love to coach uSipho Mbule, uthanda the way uSipho Mbule adlala corner. Then Orlando Pirates signed uSipho Mbule, and then all of a sudden boom uSipho Mbule disappears akasadlali. And Orlando Pirates ayisitsheli nokuthi why uSipho Mbule angasadlali. Kunini isicomplain abafethu sikhuluma ngayo lento lena ukuthi si-updateeni as ama fan. Sitsheleni ukuthi why ama player athile singawaboni, why ama player athile angadlali. Sasibona aboKabelo Dlamini bavela bafaka ama cast, and sonke siyazibuza ukuthi ulimale nini uKabelo Dlamini. If yakhumbula when ucoach Abdeslam Owadu started, he was playing Kabelo Dlamini. Bekamdlala waze wamdlala nangale game yes2 yeCAF when Orlando Pirates drew no St. Limpopo 3-3 lapha Orlando Stadium. Wangena as a substitute to Kabelo Dlamini and created a goal ozino police wakora. And then all of a sudden izinto zathula. So we don't know. The honestly is an ongoing issue, and kunento yenzakalayo mara abantu abafuna ukuthi basitshela, abantu abafuna ukusipha ama facts. There's no way Coach Owadu after such a beautiful season, first season kuOrlando Pirates win MTN 80, win Carling knockout, win Carling all stars, maceda lapho yahamba yo dethrone Mamelodi Sundowns, and then all of a sudden so khuluma ngokuthi wena ukhathelo khathazwe yini. Only one season he's tired. Ukhathazwe Owadu only one season, and it's not like he had a lot to do because Orlando Pirates hambile yamsignela ama player right into yena bekumele ukuthi ayenze ukuthi ahlanganisa ama formation ukuthi lo akangene lo akayenze so there's something happening. There's something happening, and honestly speaking, even if we are hamba siyabonga and we win the league after 14 years, but it's not like bafethu kuhamba kwakhe absence yakhe Orlando Pirates izoyifila. Angahamba, but Apolis is still there, Muremi is still there, Mfukeng is still there, Mbatha is still there, Evidence Mahupa is still there. On top of that, Orlando Pirates Hambilia Hunter, as you speak, they're going to sign more players and bring them in. So Orlando Pirates does stand a chance of defending Iligabo with or without Coach Abdeslam Owadu. Would be sad if he leaves, because mina bengifuna ukubona ukuthi uzoyenza kanjani kuCAF. Bengifuna ukubona ukuthi le finder football yakhe izomlethela ama results na kuCAF. Bengifuna ukubona ukuthi le guesswork yakhe izomsebenzela kuCAF na. Coach Abdeslam Owadu nyapinda futhi has to be the most lucky coach I've ever seen. Akekho bafethu umjito nenhlanhla njengaloya. Loya muntu lana beka shiny find serious kule season le Orlando Pirates maceda lapho wa win league. When Orlando Pirates won the league in 2011 under Ruth Krol, bekungasi finder. He had a solid team ebeka ithembile ukuthi kuyodlala laba kwinwe so. The second season when they defended it, nalapho futhi bebane team. Maru Owadu bekahleza rotator almost every game. Namhlanje udlalisa lo, kusasa udlalisa lo, next week udlalisa lo. Lo muntu wathatha usibelebele umntana abantu ayi4 wamthatha wamenza right back. We have an actual right back, umuntu solid, lo muntu bese simcompare no Khuriso Mudau, lo mfana lo Dino van Rooyen, but he wasn't getting enough game time this season. So there's a lot happening. And bafethu, I still maintain Orlando Pirates must give Sipho Mbule another shot. uSipho Mbule angahambi lapha kuOrlando Pirates. He still has a lot to offer for Orlando Pirates. uSipho Mbule bafethu kusamela win izinto ezinkulu noOrlando Pirates, and kusamela ukuthi silence ama haters wakhe nama critics wakhe. If only ama-journalist wase-South Africa bewawazi umsebenzi wawo, bahambe bayodiga babuye bazosiripotela basitshele ukuthi na into eyenzakalayo kuOrlando Pirates ngoSipho Mbule this and this. You can't tell me ukuthi I know the team is private, abakwazi ukukhipha izinto zabo mara sinama-journalist. kanti ama-journalist kwenzakalani ngawo that's why nala maphepha angasathengisi because nabi itori zabo abazibhale manje itori zakudala abasipitshela itori esingafuni ukuzazi. So i-Orlando Pirates basayine lo mfana lo Mthiani from Stellenbosch FC, another good signing, definitely will replace Masindi Nemtajela. We hope we'll see less of Masindi Nemtajela now that sekufike yena lo mfana lo, because this guy for me he's more technically gifted ukudlula Masindi Nemtajela. He seems like a player that played for an actual development team akadlala ngebhuqwini. No hate to Masindi Nemtajela, but mina personally asi material Pirates and he hasn't provided anything for Pirates. How many goals has he scored before Piggies? How many goals has Masindi Nemtajela scored for Orlando Pirates? How many assists has he been involved in for Orlando Pirates Masindi Nemtajela? So I think lo mfana lo Mthiani uzoba ngcono. And then lo mfana lo right back lo bamthathe lapha yana ku Richards Bay igama lakhe selangibalekela manje uNkulu konje bani? Kona lo mfana bamsayine manje ku Richards Bay undaba we right back baqeda kuma announce manje noMthiani man lo mfana lo lizongifikela igama lakhe. So they went basina right back and then sesizwe indaba zokuthi uThabiso Lwibitso has just left the team. I'm happy for Thabiso Lwibitso leaving the team. The reason I'm saying I'm happy for Thabiso Lwibitso leaving the team, he wasn't getting game time. Bekengeke bafethu ahlalela yazi kubhlungu umfana ukwina ama trophy uhlele ebenchini. Kubhlungu ukuthi i-team ihambe yocompete league ba win league wena ube uhleli ebenchini, you didn't really feature much. And when Thabiso Lwibitso returned from injury, I remember especially at the first half of the season, kunala Owari was giving him game time. He seemed okay for me. He seemed as someone bekasiza defensively, someone bekakwazi nokuthi abe involved ku build up play nanomi Pirates attacker bekakwazi ukusiza lo mfana lo uZulu. Yeah, basane lo mfana lo uZulu. So clearly uZulu is the replacement ya lo mfana lo uThabiso Lwibitso. Ubandile Shandu na contract yakhe aba renew lapha Orlando Pirates is going to go look for greener pastures elsewhere. Rumor has it, leyo nakusamele ngiconfirm bafethu. Rumor has it uKabelo Dlamini urenew ile contract Orlando Pirates. There's a rumor that he renewed his contract, but we just need angithi that's why ngithi sifuna ama journalist right mara kunabantu so that we're going to send on the ground to go hunt for us basitshela amaqiniso. So there's a rumor ukuthi Kabelo Dlamini urenew, and if Kabelo Dlamini did renew his contract, I mean ngijabulile bafethu, because uKabelo Dlamini is a very creative number 10, umuntu ontswembo ngama set piece. He's a player man that can offer a lot for Orlando Pirates, and Orlando Pirates definitely does need a player like yena lo mfana lo. So another person esingazi ukuthi fate yakhe ikuphi no Orlando Pirates khona manje uYusipho Mbuli. Asazi, because rumor has it ukuthi uSipho Mbuli bekasign a contract ye 1 year ne Orlando Pirates, and then ngathi bekunama terms and conditions ze behavior nanani angazi bafethu. These are all alleged, ningathi sengithathe ngayenza effect. But if Orlando Pirates doesn't renew a contract yaka Sipho Mbuli, I'd be really disappointed because akalitholanga lethuba bekumele ukuthi alithole ku Pirates. Yes, maybe as these issues off the pitch, mara bafethu angithi manikhuluma nathi as the fans nisitshela ukuthi lo mfana lona struggling ngezinto so maybe we can help. What if saza abantu aba right ukuthi bangafuna bakhulume nayo mfana bamsiza abe right? Oh, if you don't trust the fans, talk to the legends. Talk to the legends that played, the legends that believe in him ukuthi mfana bheka bekumele ukulesa squad se World Cup. Maybe it's because of your behavior issues that Hugo Bruce akasakhona ngokuthatha, and the reason the coach wasn't featuring you, it's because of his behavior yakho. But you still have it in you. You still have the talent, you still have the ability. Orlando Pirates can still achieve a lot under wena. We are still waiting to confirm bafethu, because Orlando Pirates lapha ku Golden Arrows bafuna lo mfana lo Ndlovu, bafuna uMaxwele, bafuna noSise. But uSise ngathi khona nama interest wama team waphesheya. So asazi ukuthi uzokhetha ukuya phesheya or uzokhetha ukuthi ayi Orlando Pirates. But uNdlovu I know ukuthi yona into seyisondela at being a done deal. Umuntu esizoma announce nje emalangeni. Kim Vuidi is coming back. Bebamlonile overseas, so uyabuya manje Orlando Pirates. I just hope naye bazomupha a chance. I really hope bazomupha a chance naye ukuthi adlale ashayine ayenze izinto zakhe ezi right.